Alright guys, so this is a video about the new J.Crew collaboration with New Balance. Another classic like always. Could not say no to these at all. This is the bear and rattlesnake collaboration. So here we have the bag. Completely sealed. Wow, this thing is very rattlesnake-ish, I guess. And here we have J.Crew. You know, not a lot of these get any more love as the other bigger Jordan brand or Off-White or whatever get. What I mean by that is the excitement. But J.Crew is a long-time brand that I've been wearing, and their New Balances are always on point. So let's check them out. Made. So look at this piece of paper, and here we go. The rattlesnake. Wow, look at that. Ooh, how nice is that, huh? Look at that. Wow. Look at the camo inside. You gotta appreciate all the little details. All the little small details. Let's look inside the sole. Now look at this sole. All camo. Nice. Very nice. We'll do a separate video for on foot. Gotta pick a better environment for on foot. Let's look at the bottom. Look at that. Very nice coloring. The team at J.Crew with these New Balances, you can tell they go all out in these meetings to make sure they provide A1 colorways that last a long time, and I'm a huge fan of this. I appreciate you guys. If you guys are following, are a huge fan of this as well. Nothing against the Jordan stuff. I will be making more of those as well. I just want to show you guys a little bit about what's going on with J.Crew 2019 new collaboration. Let's go to the other. I believe this is called just a regular bear. I'll double check on that and update the description. But again, another very dope presentation. So let's take a look at the inside. And wow, we got extra seal. Hold on. Look at this amazing artwork. Green bottom. Look at that. Oh man, that's premium stuff right here. Fall colors. Everything is just perfect on these. Look at that. Amazing suede. Let's take a look at the different laces. It's like a greenish blue. I'll read the official colors and everything later, but this is like a navier blue compared to the actual tongue. And then we have your inside here. It's like a bear. I'm thinking this is a grizzly bear. I'm sorry for the enthusiasts out there that are frustrated for me not even checking that out, but I was so happy to film this that, you know, why not just create and get it out there to you guys. Another one. Very dope. Very good addition for 2019 fall. Cannot go wrong with these at all.